going to put Starburst into the microwave. Isn't that right, Adam?
Yeah.
Okay.
Camera toward. I only have 1 minute.
How long do you want to set them in there for?
1 minute and 15 seconds.
Got it. 5. And now we wait.
And eat Oreos. Where am I?
Where are your Oreos, Adam? They over here? Are these Oreos?
Here?
Adam, are these Oreos?
No.
Well, then what are these?
That's apple cider vinegar.
Why?
Oreos.
Oreos.
Rip Oreos.
R.I.P. M. Pepperonis. Oreos.
Why are you filming me? Let's eat. Eat up.
I don't want to eat that.
I don't even get it out. I want to see it. I don't.
Ow! Ow! Okay, Adam, you gotta hold the camera, okay? While I do this, okay? Okay. Are you ready to see our magnificent masterpiece unfold? Are you ready, Adam?
Yeah.
Oh my god, okay, stand right there. What is this? What have we done?
Wait, let me see it.
Okay, now first follow me. Follow me.
Okay. What is that?
What?
What the?
Okay, here's what. I think it's hot. Is it hot? Touch it. No, the stuff. Is it
It's
hot?
burning. It's like gummies or something.
I know what to do. I'm gonna get a Starburst and I'm gonna dip it in there. Oh my god. Oh no.
Let me get some more. I want to get a yellow one.
Oh yeah.
Open the Starburst pack.
What's the stuff? Oh, there's like a piece of string. Like, you guys see that? Look.
It's like
Look, it's bleeding.
it's like hot glue.
Ow!
Glue or something. Let me taste.
It tastes like Starburst.
Then you just use an orange one instead.
Mmm.
Or yellow.
That actually tastes good.
Let me see.
Like, it really
Open
does.
my
It really does.
Orange pack. I'll open this one.
Oh,
See
it's
what's
hard.
inside. No. Oh yes, they're both yellow. Plain coda. I'll take it.
Ah!
What, Mark?
Starburst was crunchy. Like, it was like crunchy.
Look at that. That.
Okay, now, ready? Okay,
That-
first blow on it. Blowing it a lot. Okay, now put your tongue on it. Is it hot?
Yeah. My side's really hot.
It tastes like oh no, there's a flavor in my mouth. Oh.
What is it?
Oh, there's an aftertaste. Like, it's in my mouth. It tastes like metal. Like a metal taste. Like, what the frick? Okay, guys. Well, I guess this is what happens when you put Starburst into the microwave.
Should we do another one?
I know.
Like right
this,
after
this is good.